When Sri Krishna disappeared from the gopis, taking only Radha with him, her friends had some doubt. The Shamshai was created by Yogamaya. There was thousands of gopis, Radharani's party, Chandravali's party. Because of Yogamaya, initially, for chapter 29, this is chapter 30, for some time, none of the gopis were aware that any other gopi went with Krishna. They thought they were all there together. They are all in anxiety and separation from Krishna, and they're all wandering and searching for Krishna. Rasa Krita Krishna Vesana, looking for Krishna, searching for Krishna. But Radharani's party of gopis, especially the Manjaris, Rupa Manjari, Tulsi Manjari, they're all together. Because they are Bhav Taratmika with Radharani. In Radharani's absence or separation, viraha, they can understand Radharani's not here. Because wherever the light moves, wherever the light is moving, the shadow moves. There's no question of light without the light and the shadow. The shadow depends on the light. So the light is Radharani. Banu Nandini, Radharani, she is the light. Vrishabhanu Nandini. Banu means sun. Banu, Bhaskar, Aditya, Arka, Divakar, Pravakar, Padmalocha, Padmabandhu. So Radharani is that light. And the Chaya, Banu Chaya, is the Manjaris and Sakhis. So they have, Jiva Goswami is revealing Radharani's party, they have some doubt. Though they went, all the gopis went together, absorbed only and searching only for Krishna. And although all the gopis were in a state of unmad, this divine love at the level of Mahabhav, this is only with the gopis, the Braja gopis, not by the Mahishis and Dwarka. They can only approach the very edge of this idea with some prem vaichitya. Prem vaichitya, there's some reflection, some small form of Mahabhav, the Viraha Bhav and separation. In the Dwarka Lila, 10th canto, chapter 90, Mahishi Gita, Dwarkadish and the Mahishis and queens one afternoon, a hot summer afternoon, gets very hot in Dwarka. So they all gathered in some big lake, big swimming pool, royal swimming pool with crystal landing steps and all the fancy things. And then there's so many flowers growing there, and there was a mandap there, and the musicians came and were playing pakawaj and esaraj and flute and all beautiful instruments, cymbals, and they're playing beautiful music. And then Dwarkadish entered that beautiful pool, beautiful royal pool, and with the queens, they started splashing water. And while they were splashing water, then the queens, they thought, oh, where's Dwarkadish? Where's he gone? And so the Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, in his commentary on 10th canto, chapter 90, he explains how in this Mahishi Gita, they experienced some prem vaichitya, separation from Krishna. And they started pining and, oh, where's Krishna? Oh, osprey. These different kind of seabirds, like a seagull or something like that. I forget. Oh, Kurari, yeah, in Sanskrit. Oh, Kurari. Kurari is translated as osprey. It's a type of ocean bird, osprey. Oh, Kurari. And when the Kurari bird, when it sings, the Pakshi gun, it's very shrill, high-pitched voice. Like, very high, sounds like baby crying. Bacha Rona, very high, So pining and wailing and crying in viraha, vilap, lamentation. Oh, Kurari. And if Kuraris are flying around, they're always flying around the ocean, the seaside, seagulls and these type of things. Terns, sea terns, or whatever they are. There are many types of birds. So they're hearing their crying. It's and they're type of, it's called Rudha. The Sanskrit verse, it says Rudha Bhav. Because in Mahabhav, there's two divisions, Rudha Bhav and and Adirudha. But this Rudha Bhav is very weak because they're Rati, the loving attachment, and the Shringar Rati of the Pati Patni and Dwarka Lila, the Swakiya Bhav of the queens and Krishna, their Rati, their degree, their intensity of their attachment, our acharyas explain as samanjasa. Samanjasa, samanjasa means I'm Rukmini, I'm Satyabhama, I'm Mitraminda, I'm Satya, I'm Kalindi. So many Mahishis. And I love my Dwarkadish, and I'm loving Krishna. And I'm serving him absolutely for his pleasure. Anyabilashita shunyam, jnana karmadyanavritam. Anyabilashita shunyam. But I have some transcendental spiritual desires, a prakrita kam. I have some spiritual desires, a prakrita, not lokik or prakrit, transcendental desires for my own pleasure, satisfaction. That is called samanjasa rati, shringar prem, madhurya prem, swakiya. But in Braj, in the gopis, their madhurya prem, their amorous sthayi rati, intimate attachment, loving attachment for Krishna is called paramor. Parakiya bhav, and the term is used samartha rati, samartha. Whatever I have, any assets, any value, any objective, art, any objective, value, benefit, wealth, whatever I have, dharma, art, kama, moksha, art, samartha, all of it, it completely is for Krishna. Krishna Toshan, Krishna's happiness. I don't want anything, not even a ganda, not even a scent of desire for myself. This is Gopi Bhav. This is Radharani. This is the purest love possible.